I am an overthinker, a
Mm-hmm.
huge overthinker. And I have learned some tips
Same.
and yeah, a lot of people
I
are.
wrote a
And
book.
yeah, yeah,
No, I'm kidding. The book doesn't have overthinking, but I mean, there's a
it's
lot
a
of work there.
it's a common
Yeah.
problem. And I didn't know I was an overthinker, right?
Hmm.
And I think part of it's because I'm a bit analytical, and then it comes also from my childhood abuse. But it's empowering to go, oh, okay, I'm overthinking this and I don't have to do this. And
Hmm.
I learned a trick the other day, and this is really powerful. And it was one question that will stop your overthinking. And you can close your eyes or not, it doesn't matter. But the next question you should ask yourself is, I wonder what I'm going to think next.
Oh, that's interesting. That's disruptive.
And my mind goes blank. It works on me.
Yeah.
I tested it out on a few people because I saw it was a hack on TikTok, right? I'm like, okay, well, let's see if this works. And it worked for me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay. Tried it on my husband, it works for him. And I've tried it on a couple other people. I'm like, oh my gosh, it works. So at least stops that moment
Ah,
of that cycle that you
yeah.
get into. I wonder
It's
what
kind
I'm
of
going to
like
think
reverse. It's
next.
like reverse psychology. Not, I don't know. It's like playing, reverse psychology on your mind,
Right,
which,
right.
is,
So it's empowering. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, ask yourself, I wonder what I'm going to think next.
yeah,
Try it, right?
exactly. Surprise me. Show me what else we got. Like, how can this go? No, it's so
Oh,
true. And
yeah,
sometimes overthinking, if you just make it positive thoughts, then okay, like that's great. You can think positive things.
sure.
Ideally not so many, but and not in an obsessive way either. But
Right,
um,
right,
sometimes an active mind just means that we have a lot that we want to accomplish. We need to get it out. We need to transform it, transmute it, because energy is never created or destroyed. So even those thoughts that are trying, or that activity that's taking place in the mind, um, whether it has a place in becoming calmness or a place in becoming action or a place in,
right.
any of these things, um, yeah, I mean, it's certainly not beneficial because it makes us feel anxious, but if we can transform it, then why not?